everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're actually doing a whole bunch of organizing, and that's kind of the big plan for today. I just got in actually these new hangers. I love velvet hangers. These ones are from Amazon. My other ones had been from HomeSense, but I obviously couldn't go pick them up, so I'd been waiting for these guys to come in so that I could finally put some more clothes away, because I've had this big ugly box of clothes sitting here with, like, I have no other hangers or anywhere drawers to put them in. So I finally got these new hangers. So now I've got some cream ones and some black velvet ones. So the plan is to put all of that either in my closet or on my clothing rack and overly just kind of organize. Yeah, we'll see how the day goes, but that was kind of my plan today since I just got those in the mail yesterday. So I'm gonna hang everything in that box up on my clothing rack that's in my study room. So I'm gonna go do that now and then probably organize some of it into this closet back here and then some of it into that closet, and some of it might just stay on the clothing rack. But I'm gonna do that now and then, yeah, just get all this mess organized. Now that all the stuff that I didn't have a place for is all hung up, my closet in my bedroom is mostly just like neutral tones and then some blues. So I'm just gonna kind of pick out all the things that are neutral tones or blues and go put them in my closet over there. And everything else is gonna go in this disaster closet here, which we are going to organize and do stuff with after, because I've got a whole bunch of new art stuff and just stuff that needs to be put on the shelves and reorganized. This closet is more so stuff that I don't wear, as well as coats, and then kind of just stuff that I don't really use, as well as books and school stuff, and it's horrible and it needs to have something done about it. There, I added some of the new pieces in. I try to keep the shorter pieces to this side. I know there is some longer ones that kind of hang on here. I might have to do some reorganization, but try to keep the longer pieces to this side so that they can actually hang, because I have my pant hanger there. But I don't want to like move the longer pieces all to this side, because then it messes up the color, and like, I like it like this. It looks pretty. But now we're gonna deal with that mess of a closet that's in there. Problem with this closet is I can only open one side at a time because they're sliding doors, but there's so much random stuff in this closet and I don't know really what I'm going to do with most of it, but we're going to try and deal with some of it and hang up the pieces that I don't want on this. I think I'm going to keep this kind of springy, so I think I'm going to keep all these guys out and then just put away these few darker colors, because I like having this little aesthetic piece here, especially because I've been trying to decorate this room that still has all blank walls and my desk that has been moved over here so that we can work out in this space. But I'm trying to decorate it for you guys to show you guys my apartment reno. But anyways, we're gonna deal with this closet. far I can solid everything from this. I got rid of some stuff and then put it all up there. I might still put some stuff because I've got a little bit of space here, but now I think I'm going to move some of my art stuff and like books into here. So now the shelves are a little bit more organized. I moved all my art books that I brought from home. There's still tons at home, and journals. There's still tons at home, even though this looks like a lot. And then this is my bookshelf currently. I just have a few books from home because I don't really have room here. So I just have these books and that's it. So it's nice that they fit kind of perfectly there. But I have this big empty space here and then big empty space here. And it feels like just like a waste of space, so I don't really know what I'm going to put there, but I'm sure I have more stuff to organize up on those shelves. So that's how we're doing so far though. It's looking a bit better. So that's all I'm going to be organizing for my closet for now, but it's looking a lot better so far. And now this is very springy and aesthetic and cute. So I can finally start, you know, getting this room a little bit more ready for my final apartment reno video, because that has been a long time in process. It's been in process for, oh my gosh, that video's been in process for almost a year. I've just like been doing things so slowly, but I'm hoping to get it up by the end of May for you guys. So don't hold me to that, but we're trying. All right, so tonight we are going for a little sunset chasing drive. We thought it'd be fun, and it looks like it's gonna be a pretty good night for sunsets. Like, it's pretty cool out and the sun is very bright. There's a little bit of clouds, so we thought it would be good to go try and take some pictures and just have a nice little chill sunset evening. So let's go. A little cold. I'm a little bit shaky right now, but so pretty. Cotton candy skies out tonight. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so glad we decided to go for a little drive because this is so stunning. Definitely, like, we can't really see the sunset very well from where we are because it's I'm chilly, but because we're in a subdivision and just all the houses cover the sunset, but holy crap is this gorgeous. Wow. It was freezing cold. My hands are nice and pink. We're gonna do this again on a day that's not so cold. We did get some nice pictures and it was so pretty. I already said a few times, but cotton candy skies, they were so pretty because the sunset doesn't set that way, it sets this way. So it was like yellow and orange on this side, but like pink and purple and blue on this side, and it was so pretty, but it's freezing. But we're gonna go home now, so. Alright guys, so we just got back from our little sunset drive about like half an hour-ish or so ago, so I just kind of got ready for bed. It's getting a little late now, but thought I'd just sit down and kind of chat with you guys for a little bit, kind of about just what's going on, quarantine and everything. I know things are starting to open up back again, which I think is great, but if you guys didn't notice, if you're not caught up with my YouTube, I did take a little like week break from YouTube. I didn't film, I didn't post. I was still active on Instagram and stuff, but I took kind of like an impromptu break, like that wasn't planned or anything. I honestly just ended up crashing, and I feel like that was really because of just with everything that's going on, plus I had worked myself from school, I had exams, and I just pushed through that and filmed YouTube videos and did everything, and Up till like a week and a half ago, I was doing okay, and then one day I kind of just, everything stopped. Everything came kind of to like an abrupt stop, and I didn't have motivation to do anything. I didn't want to get out of bed. I just, like, my anxiety hit really hard, and I kind of just was in a really bad slump for like a few days. But I got really emotional, and like I said, I didn't want to do anything, and yeah, so I took a little impromptu break from YouTube. And I feel like too, something that's been affecting me, and it shouldn't be affecting me as much as it has been, but I feel the need that I want to talk to you guys about it, and it's the fact that, like, I know I have, like, we're at, I think, 88,000 subscribers right now on my channel, and I think that's insane, and I love all of you guys so, so much, but something that for some reason really hits home for me, and something I can't seem to understand, is that I only get, like, and my views have been really, really crappy lately, and I don't know why, but it feels personal, and it hurts that I'm like, all these people are subscribed to me, but none of them want to watch my videos, and it just makes me feel like, what am I doing wrong? What do they not like? Why are they subscribed but they don't want to watch? And it's really confusing as someone who overthinks everything and takes everything really personally. And so, and the ones that are watching this right now, obviously I know you guys are, and I love you and I thank you, you guys are committed and you watch like every single one of my videos, but it's like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going on a little bit of a crazy rant right now, and it's definitely a first world problem and something I should not be complaining about, but I'm just gonna go out on a limb here and tell you guys kind of what's going on in my head and what's been going on, and that's kind of it. It's just, I feel like I work really hard on my content, and I've been loving vlogging, and it's like, a lot of you love my vlogs as well, but like 90% of my subscribers aren't responding, and it kind of hurts because I feel like I've tried to build a community here, and I don't know. I really don't know, but that is kind of what has been on my mind and on my heart lately, and I'm honestly someone who tries not to focus on like the numbers or views or anything really at all, but sometimes it gets to you, and like I said, I'm someone who overthinks everything, and with my anxiety it kind of just snowballs and makes everything worse. And so, but yeah, that's kind of also part of the reason why I took a little creative break, is because it's hard seeing something that you put so much time and work and effort into that just kind of flops and doesn't do well and people don't respond to it, and it's hard to see that consistently. So I don't know, I just didn't have the motivation really to do anything, so it's another kind of reason why I took a little bit of a weekly break. But I am back, trying not to think about that as much, and also I've got a few new creative projects that I am working on, a few video ideas, but then like some other creative projects outside of YouTube that I'm really excited about and really passionate about, and really wanting to have been put more work into that for the last like year or so, that just, it's been a side project, and now I finally have the time to work on that. So I might not be doing 2 videos a week anymore and put more time into that other project. We'll see. I still love doing so many videos for you guys, and I have a lot of ideas, but I kind of gotta wait for things to come. I ordered some stuff for some videos, so we're kind of gotta wait for those to arrive before I can actually film. So we'll see what happens. But those are my little updates. That's my thoughts, my rants, and I guess I just want to remind you guys that it's okay to have emotions and be emotional during this time and this period. There's so much going on, but it's okay to have all these feelings, even if you feel like they're not necessarily like reasonable. Like, you have reason to be emotional and you have reason to be upset. Everything is adequate. You're adequate. And I think that's something that I had to remind myself a lot. Like, I am not the views that I get, and the people that do watch my videos, you guys that are watching right now and you've gotten this far in the video, you are amazing. I love you, and I am so thankful that you watch my videos, you interact with my content. It means absolutely the world to me. Like, it's everything, and I can't express like my thanks enough that you guys actually, like, I have some people that enjoy my content. It means a lot. But yeah, it's just that, like I said, things get to you, and sometimes you can't help that, but what you can help is doing things about that and not thinking about it as much. So that is currently what I'm trying to do. But I'm gonna kind of end my little rant here for the night. If you watched all of this, you are amazing. Thank you so much. But I think I'm probably just going to do a little bit of reading before bed, because that's something that I tried to implement into my new routine, my new schedule that kind of fell apart last week, but we're going to start putting it back into place a little bit better. And yeah, I'm excited to continue working, continue pushing, even if I'm not necessarily seeing the results that I want to see, if that makes sense. But I know that I do have support from you guys always. So thank you again so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I do hope you continue to watch my videos. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me.